All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Cher Lloyd. That's the first time on Goring Guitar. I believe so. At least staying on her own feet. Perhaps she's been in a collab. I'm not sure, but anyway, let's go into this head down song, okay? So we have 4 chords that are rolling in the same order through the entire song. We're gonna look into the melody, just some plain strumming, and that's it. So let's start this tutorial with the capo set on the 2nd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So with that, we have the A minor, G, E minor, and F. So let's start with the chords. We have A minor first, like I said, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. E minor next, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And then finally we have the bar chord of F. So you place your index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so that's the order of it. Let's go into the melody first, and we're gonna play the same pattern, just different grips, okay? So starting with A minor, you will hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna start to go downwards, so you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. Then you have a short pause there, and then you're gonna play 2 times of this. That means you go up again, same way. So you're gonna start with 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and open A. And you repeat that 2 times. So okay, so that is the A minor, right? So like this. Then you immediately go to the next chord, in this case the G, and for this just melody you can hold only this 3rd fret E string. That's enough, okay? So 3rd E, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd E, the bass, then open D, open G, and open B. A short pause there, and then you're gonna play back again for 2 times of this. Okay, so that is to play open B, open G, open D, and 3rd E for 2 times. So together it goes like this. Right, so you can see the pattern now, how it works, and then we'll move on to the E minor part. And again, you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So you roll down first, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, short pause, and then you go back with 2 times of this. And that is to play open G, open D, open A, and open E. So together goes. Okay, and then the final chord, the F. You can hold the chord as it is if you want to. You don't have to really hold the bar if you don't want to. You're gonna use just the bass string, so you can just hit the 1st fret E string with the index if you want, or yeah, go with the bar. It's up to you. It goes. Okay, so 1st E, 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Short pause, and then you go up again with 2nd G, 3rd D, 3rd A, and 1st E for 2 times. And you finish 1 round of this melody. All right, so together it goes like this. And you just go over and over in the same way. That is one way of handling it. Now you can level up to handle it with a clap, okay? So you're gonna have the clap at 2 spots for each and every chord. So the first time you're gonna hit it is in the pause. So you're gonna roll down first. If you look at the A minor part, you're gonna go. At that point, you have a pause. Now you have a clap built in there instead. So, okay, and then you're gonna roll it the first time. The second time, you're gonna start on this first fret B string. That is the clap. That replaces that first B. And you just continue with the second G, second D, and open A. In that way, you have the clap with the right timing, okay? So slowly it goes like this. All right? And then you use that technique for all the other chords as well. So for G, it goes like this. And E minor. And F. So one round slowly like this. And so on. All right. So the timing is important, and in that way we're gonna go now into the strumming world, and we will have the claps at the exact same points as when you play the picking pattern. All right, you will see that. So we have one round, basically 2 halves of it that are very, very similar to each other. Gonna sound like this. You're gonna play one of those per chord. So you're gonna start with down, up, then clap, up, down, up. That's the first half of it. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, that's the first half of it. Then you have a short pause, and that pause takes away the first down. So imagine you just played this for 2 rounds, okay? But you have a pause now instead. That takes away the first down, and then you just continue the same way. So you have a pause, and then you take away the first down of this strumming pattern, and you just continue with up, clap, up, down, up. So they're very similar, these 2 halves. The first half is with the down, up, clap, up, down, up. And the second half is with just up, clap, up, down, up. So slowly like this. Again, down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, up, clap, up, down, up. Any tempo. And in that way, we're gonna have the claps at the same points. That's when we play the melody. You're gonna play one of these per chords, and that gives us this. match perfectly together, and that is great. You can go back and forth with the strumming and melody, and that is how you handle Cher Lloyd's Head Down. So nice song, give it a try, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, then show me some love back. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.